All right, y'all, another video for y'all today, man, on Memorial Day. Y'all probably gonna be seeing this video today too, by the way, because as y'all, shut up, truck. God damn. All right, I know to put my seatbelt on. Anyway, today, this one wants to go to the damn beauty supply, and then I'm gonna go wash this truck. This truck is filthy as you know what. I don't know if y'all can see it on here. I don't know, don't want to burn out where I'm at, but hell. As y'all know, I just put on some new tires today, and man, this truck is, it's ready. Can't wait to go to Vegas, y'all. I cannot wait. Money well spent so far. Just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, man. All right, well, I'm heading to the car wash, y'all, because she ain't saying nothing.
I'm looking.
All right, hopefully this car wash right here is open. Let's see, the one over here on the west side, y'all. Right nearby. It just rides so smooth with these new tires on here. Shit. Damn, this lady almost ran the damn red light.
What's the stop sign, baby?
Or whatever the hell that was. Yeah, stop sign.
Okay, the one at Willow, they close at 7.
Which one?
The one at Willow.
Awesome. I hope everybody's having a great Memorial Day today. For a lot of y'all that be celebrating holidays and shit like that. Hope y'all having a great Memorial Day. Honestly, I don't give two shits about these holidays out here. It really don't make me nothing. Every day is a new day to me. Regardless of the situation. Every day is a new day. Heck yeah. But yeah, y'all. Ain't nothing new today. Just same old shit. Ain't nobody at the park, huh? Hey, I got a question, babe. When I be doing my videos, can you hear the exhaust noise on camera?
I don't even know.
Oh, you don't even pay no attention to it. Y'all comment down below. Can y'all hear this loud ass truck on camera? I know if I roll the windows down and I put the camera out there, yeah, y'all gonna hear this loud motherfucker, but just curious. Just curious. But it do ride way better with these tires on here. Yeah, I can say that. Heck yeah. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I know it's not lit. This video probably ain't gonna be lit or whatever, but hell, I'm giving y'all something at least. So wait, you going to the beauty supply first?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, y'all to the beauty supplies and then go buy some stuff for my hair.
All right, man. I hope that's it.
Man, why you getting mad for?
Cause I really, you know, I'm a quick individual. I like to be back and forth. I like to be there and back, and I want to go wash this filthy old thing.
You gonna wash it?
Heck yeah, I'm about to wash it. And I gotta give these subscribers some content at least. And to all those that's watching, y'all know I put a lot of time and effort into what I do on this YouTube platform, you guys. I really do. Like, I mean, I really do. I really take this shit very seriously, and I'm taking it to the next level, and that's one of the main reasons why we are making this next move to Vegas and everything, because I know as soon as I get out there in Vegas, Oh yeah, it's on. It's on when I get out there. It's on when we get out there. That's all I gotta say. Oh, look at the motorcycles. Look at that. Look at that.
It's gonna be the same shit, babe.
What?
When we go Vegas?
No, it's not. What you talking about?
We'll be home the whole time?
No, we not. I'm not gonna be going to the strip or nothing.
Oh no.
Hell no. We're gonna be driving all
the
over.
The shit, babe, I said it's boring. You just walk.
Yeah, I ain't trying. It's good exercise, but nah, I ain't trying to do all that, especially in 100-degree weather. No, thank you.
Oh no.
Oh no, you better pay me some money to do that. That's all I gotta say about that. Better pay me some money. Is it packed up there?
No, not really.
Oh, ain't nobody up there. And they take card now. They take the debit card now. You know that, right?
Oh, they do?
Oh yeah, they upgraded up there.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, they upgraded up there, y'all. So like I said, man, make sure y'all watch this video all the way through. Don't skip no ads. Hit the thumbs up, hit the share button. I don't know how long this video gonna be, but it's gonna be a pretty long one. That's all I gotta say. That's all I pretty much gotta say. It's gonna be a long video, y'all. Y'all usually enjoy these vlogs, by the way, and hell. My stomach's still fucked up. Crossing over the bridge. Anyway, if y'all get this video, man, I'm gonna say it like this: get this video 100 likes. I'm gonna say it like this: get this video 100 likes. I'll go live tonight. That's all I gotta say. Get this video 100 likes, and I will go live tonight for sure. No questions asked. I'm surprised they didn't call us to go over there today, huh? Wonder. Make sure y'all support your street vendors and y'all protect your street vendors, you guys. Y'all heard that? Look at this bar right here. This bar is full. Look at this. Look at that.
It's all food, it's all everything.
Oh, is Buffalo Wild Wings open, you think? I was gonna say, get the girls, we can go out to eat today.
Oh, you want me to treat you? Oh, you can treat us good today, huh, babe?
What? Yeah, might as well.
Shoot, don't say no more.
Might as well. And they driving too slow. I don't know if they've been drinking. They ain't even got no tags on there or nothing.
I don't know, they ain't got no tags.
I don't know, they've been
see, the police just kept people like that.
Oh no, that's what I'm saying.
So
fucking with me.
Yeah, freaking.
That's what I'm saying.
Messing with the innocent people out here.
Boring out here. Ain't nobody out here.
A lot of people complain about.
What?
Well, not complaining, but a lot of people say when you go to the gas station that you don't let your girlfriend or your wife, whatever you want to call her, put gas in your car. You have to do it.
Yeah, that's being a gentleman. Well, yeah, well, who said that? That's considered being a gentleman, by the way, y'all.
On YouTube, like Funny Mike and them, they was like
they're closed.
They are?
Yeah, they closed. It's Memorial Day.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
They closed. Everything closed, damn near. But anyway, say it again.
No, like Funny Mike, like they be saying, no, if you have to be a gentleman and put gas in your girl's car and then. No,
just generally speaking, if you with your lady and everything, pump the gas in the car.
Yeah, because if you're not, he said you a simp. He said that.
That's just not being a damn gentleman. That's not being a simp, Funny Mike. Man, come on, he got the game fucked up.
He was like, y'all just simps if y'all don't, if you let your girl put some gas in your car.
Church Tacos open? In Dominguez?
Oh, I don't know. Or they take cash.
Yeah, I got like $40 on me. Shit, are they open?
Oh, no, you can go check.
I'm gonna go wash this shit. I don't like this right here, y'all. That fucking sun glare. I hate that shit. That shit just pisses me the fuck off. But yeah.
And that's when they was like, yeah, you have to put your own gas in your car. And when she have a car too, you have to put gas in
I'm not bringing no food. I don't know what my mom keep calling me for. I'm not bringing no food. No. You didn't give me no money to go pay. I'm not bringing it.
Oh,
Doing, yeah, man, mom blowing up my damn phone.
See, she trying to take your money.
Yeah, man, we out here, y'all. There's nobody out here. Here, hold this. Come on, hurry up. Fell all around and everything. Just don't be pointing at me, shit. Hell yeah, y'all. We on one today. This is not even active out here, y'all. Everybody in the house party. Everybody at home barbecuing or something. Shit.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Where the hell everybody at? That's why I haven't been going live. It's like ever since now they open everything back up. Everybody going clubbing and partying and everything, you know. I don't even bother to do the live streams no more because, you know, everybody out partying and acting a fool out here again. So, come on, man. It's a dangerous intersection right here. I don't even like being right here.
I know it is.
Stay wrecking. People running red lights and getting smacked up right here.
It is.
But yeah, y'all, we about to go wash this right now. Wash this shit. This shit is too filthy. I usually have it detailed inside and out, but a lot of people are busy today and whatever the hell they be doing. I'd rather just go wash it myself. So yeah, stay tuned right now, y'all. Stay tuned. Cut the camera.
Yeah.
That far away, okay?
I'm good. You're gonna wet me that section over here. I did. Right here, right? Yeah, I did already.
No, foaming brush.
Oh. Washing and Navigator, y'all. Your mom's calling you again. Washing the Navigator. It's all dirty. pill. Are you gonna do that tire shine too? Oh. You got that soap. What you gotta say, babe? Huh? I said, what you have to say? We got a sub still. Just for a little bit. They're right there, but like the sub is from.
That's it. Now, hold on, y'all. Time to go exchange this back to cash. This is what the fuck, man. I hate that. And then
She went to the store first, and
then we was trying to swipe the card right here, you guys. Now they just put this right here, and they kept declining my card for some damn reason when I got money on there. I don't like this shit. You need to come fix that. I'm being real right now. Whoever on this car wash, y'all see this video, by the way, y'all need to fix that shit.
that's it. Alright, let's go in the car.
Way better. Find the lead.
Your mom keep blowing up your phone.
I know. Anyway, other than that, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, y'all. I'm done with this video. And y'all have a great evening, man. See you guys on the next one. Give me 100 likes. I might go live tonight, y'all. Real shit.